Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So we are here in Walt Disney World in Pop Century. Our room is here. Today is our Halloween party, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party day, evening. But it's currently raining and it's almost 5, I think, right?
Yeah. It's already 5.
It's already 5. So we wanted to obviously get there for 4 o'clock, but it was raining cats and dogs, lightning, thunder. It's looking a little bit better, so I don't know. We're gonna give it another maybe 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. Hopefully it'll get a little bit lighter. The forecast is kind of like iffy. I don't know. I really don't want to be wet. I guess, you know, it is what it is. You're in Florida. What are you gonna do? So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, it's a little bit lighter. The sky is a little bit intense, a little intense. Right now it's not raining. We couldn't get preferred parking. We actually didn't know, which makes sense for weather reasons and safety of cast members. There's no preferred parking because they have to work outside. We had to park, I don't know where, God knows where, and it's a mess because people are going wrong way. It's impossible to turn around if you didn't find parking. I definitely didn't know about this, but now we know.
And I think because it stopped raining and the thunder is like going away, when we were able to turn around somewhere, oh, I just saw it strike. A worker came out to guide, and I think they're probably doing preferred parking because I see a lot of new people coming in.
Yeah, preferred parking, which is right over there, is looking kind of good and empty. Oh man. All right, I thought coming here later, aside from that it was raining, it wasn't gonna be this crowded to get in. It's 6:25. There's like a billion people trying to get in, and it's raining again. All right, we made it. It wasn't that bad to get in, but it's raining. It's raining and it's thundering. So we're gonna go get our trick-or-treating bags. Let's see how this night goes. Fingers crossed. All right, we have like 10 minutes before the party starts. Super loud. The boys changed in their surprise costumes. This is just for laugh floor, because otherwise...
I don't mind wearing these.
Oh yeah? I mean, if you're not too hot.
I mean, it is hot after you play a while. I constantly get an AC, and it's constantly gets, you know, lower and lower.
True.
It'll be nice.
Solly.
Wheel your stuff. Good, interesting. I hear yelling. Isn't that nice? Oh, look at all these humans wrapped in plastic for freshness. That's great. Yeah. Well, welcome. Happy Halloween! Oh, see, we got a whoop. Welcome, I'm Mac and this is Jeeves. Together we are...
Mac and Jeeves.
Very good, yeah.
Lots of drums.
Good, man. Well, look at all these. Is this what it means to go trick-or-treating? To dress like this? Yeah!
Thank you, Unhuman.
Yes. We got, oh my gosh, we gotta watch our P's and Q's. Our bosses are here.
Well, no, bosses are saying.
Andrew! And!
Mike Wazowski and Sully, right next to Mike Wazowski.
No, you can see him around here often.
Hi. Hi, what are your names?
No.
Hi,
William.
What's your name?
Yell, it's a microphone.
He does do that.
raining. It's like 9:13. We did Space Mountain, People Mover, for us. So we pretty much did everything in this area, and Aiden's like going in line 5 times doing trick-or-treating, and baby Andrew is just taking a little break. Now we're gonna head towards Mine Train. So we're gonna do that, then we're gonna do Little Mermaid. I think we're gonna try to watch the second parade. The crowd level is really good. We're here on August 26th. If you watched my other Magic Kingdom video, I was complaining a little bit because there was 1.5 billion people here, like literally. So the crowds definitely feel nice. It's so worth it. I love it. It's amazing. So I wish they were open a little later though. You know, maybe to like 1 o'clock in the morning. I think that would be just like a little bit better because the time is going by so quick. Considering it rained for like 3 hours.
That was a ball. Are you a doctor? She is. You're late. You're dead. She always is. Oh, sweetheart. Isn't it nice bringing a child to look at you?
It's his birthday. Here at the mansion, we celebrate your death day, my friends. So.
Yes. Happy death day.
Happy birthday. We will see you.
So looks like the pirate ship from the first boot to you broke down.
It's been here for like probably 20 minutes.
Yes, it has been here since the first boot to you.
Yeah, if you weren't inside your flashy picture box, you'd have seen that coming. You gotta be aware of your surroundings, don't you know? And how old are you? You got a birthday?
I'm about to turn 12 tomorrow.
You got to turn 12. Well, at 12, you really need to be aware of your surroundings then, aren't you? Right then. And you know 12 is when you're supposed to get a job. Yeah? Alright, I got it on my ship. You can start to read. I'll put you in sales. It's an interleather position, but you can climb really well. Alright then.
Awesome.
I didn't realize.
She'll put you in sales. Alright, we made it to our last ride.
Was this legit like right before they closed? So we made it in time.
We made it just in time.
It is 11:57.
11:57. And in just a few short minutes, this boy turns 12 years old.
Yeah.
Luckiest kid, turning 12 in Disney World.
Well, not officially, but you know.
Officially, yes. You were born a little bit later, but unofficially.
Yeah.
Love you.
I love how this is so empty.
I know. So it's like 12:31. The park is officially closed. We're just waiting for people to filter out through there. We're like roping off sections so that way, you know, they push people out as fast as possible. All right, this is 12:46 in the morning, and it's very happy. We're leaving. They're really gently pushing everybody out. I don't know what's waiting for us by the boat or the monorail, but this is amazing. See you real soon.
Bye-bye.
Hello. We made it back to the room. It's actually many hours later. It's like 2 in the morning, but I wanted to close out the vlog because tomorrow we're actually gonna sleep in. We're going to Animal Kingdom, and it's Aiden's birthday. Well, it's his birthday officially. Birthday to my baby boy. Party was really good. Like, we really had a great time. We really enjoyed it. So we ended up not doing the parade because times for the rides were obviously very low, so we kind of just took advantage, you know, trying to do as many rides as we could, especially because we had like such a rough day on our Magic Kingdom day because it was so packed, it was so busy, and it was also raining, and it was just great. Today was well worth it. The kids got lots of candy. We got to see the fireworks from far away, which was still beautiful. We did eat and so many great rides. It was just awesome. It was a really, really good evening. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comments below. And please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I have to go to sleep because it's after 2 o'clock in the morning. Bye.